All right, let's look at the homework 8.3, problem number 9. All right, so we want to find the a value and the d value so that the graph of f of x will look like this. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we're gonna have to start from cosine of x. So let's draw a cosine of x here. So cosine starts from 1. Then it's gonna go up and down, so it's gonna look like kind of like this, right? And here and here, right? All right, so it seems like it's upside down, so we can see that there's going to be a reflection. So first we have to apply 1, right? Reflection about the x-axis. Alright, so this is easy enough. So if you do that, you're going to have y equals negative cosine of x. Right? So that will give us a new picture. So it's reflected, so it's going to look something like this. Right, so it's gonna go up and like that. All right, so this is after first transformation, so 1. All right, then another transformation. Let's see. Looks like the amplitude is a little bit off, right? So amplitude is going to be, let's see, highest point is -2. And lowest point is -8, which means that the difference is 6. So amplitude is the half of the difference between the highest point and the lowest point. So 6 divided by 2, so amplitude should be 3. So we need to stretch vertically by a factor of 3. So 2. So it's going to be a vertical stretch by a factor of 3, right? Which means that to simply multiply the function by 3, right? So that will get you this new picture. So it's a 1 becomes -3, so it's going to go through here, and so it's going to have a bigger amplitude, kind of like this. And the same thing here, and 3 times as much as before, right? So it looks like we're getting the correct shape, and it seems like it's in the wrong place, right? So it's -3. We want to shift it down by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we need to shift. So here's the third transformation. So it's going to shift down by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by 5 units. Right, which is y minus 3 cosine of x. You just have to subtract 5 to go down by 5 units. Right, so therefore a is going to be right here. Right, so a is -3 and b is -5. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so we found a to be -3 and d to be -5. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.